It is the 12th of June 2022. BBC, which I hate to watch because it is the British Blacking Corporation. Anything pro-English, pro-British, they have to destroy. And they've just had a thing on there where they're basically trying to get the TT cancelled. The TT, for those who don't know, is the Tourist Trophy. It is a motorcycle race, well, series of races held on the Isle of Man, which is there. That little island there, right in the middle. And it's been going since 1907. So it's 115 years. People die when they ride bikes fast. It's that simple. When you race a bike, there's a chance you're going to die. And she's trying to get it banned. The BBC is trying to get it banned. Not because people are dying, but because it's something that is traditionally British, traditionally English, because it is part of England. And it's just another example of how the BBC has to do whatever it can to destroy anything pro-British or pro-English. Another good example, the British Blacking Corporation. I thought, I can't be asked watching the news, it's too depressing. I'll put on something else. None of the other channels will actually work. And so I thought, okay, I'll watch Spring Watch. So I put on Spring Watch. And what is it? A nice, happy black family. Yeah, because you can't have anything pro-white on the BBC.